Okay guys, here's the Saturn Sky. Got it home and the battery's dead, so I've got a new battery. I had to take the side cover off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the battery post off real quick, and we're going to put the battery on, and then we're going to see if she starts for the first time. And I need to take it up and get to the car wash and get this brown out of here. I hope that's just dirt, but I'm not sure. Hope it comes out. We'll see, because you got the same brown dirt right here. So I'm gonna clean these posts off real quick, or clean most of this rust off here if I can, and we'll put them back on. Don't have to be perfect, just has to be get a good connection. So that's all I'm trying to do, is get a good connection. It's fun going to get this car. So I've never seen a battery post like this, or battery terminal like this. Take a little sandpaper to the inside of that. Yeah, the ground looks okay. What I'm gonna do is take a little bit of the sandpaper and put it inside the hole there. Kind of brittle sandpaper. There we go. Take this little piece here. All right, now I'll go get the battery. Okay, so you gotta tilt the battery in and out to get it in there. A little tight fit. They could have put like a notch. There we go. All right, so I don't know if you can see or not. There we go. Take off the negative post. Now, put the little, try to make sure you can see what I'm doing here, which is really weird because I can't really see the, can't really see the camera. It's sunny out here. Okay, and I got another little one right here for the positive. I think I'm gonna do the negative first, and I'm gonna need to get the impact. So I'll go get the impact and we'll get this put on. Okay, so I got my wrench. That's the 8mm. You know, it'd be so nice if every time I went to do a job, I had what I needed, so I don't have to stop every 5 seconds. Okay, I've got to go find the socket. Okay, so I'm going to have to do this the old-fashioned way, because I guess the socket has been used for something else. So I will do this the old-fashioned way, which is with a wrench. That's okay. Get these terminals on here and get her fired up. I've never seen a terminal go on like this. Strange. It's weird. Hey. Alright, so we're going to put the positive on. And the blower motor just came on, so let me go turn that off so we don't run the battery down. Turn the ignition off. Okay. So we'll tighten this one up without trying to hit any metal. That'll cause a nice spark. Hope y'all can see that. Almost there. Alright. I'll have to take that back off and put the cover on, but that's okay. Alright, let's go see if she's going to start up. That would be the next step in this whole process. So here we go. First time start. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love flood cars. I don't think they have a boost gauge on these cars. Nice. That's it, first time startup. She runs. I'm gonna take her up the car wash and try to get that brown off the top. And we'll see what happens. Whoever had this car took real good care of it. They even had some little cine things in. I think it was a girl. I've got all the original paperwork in the glove box. Nothing in there. Cup holder's not broke. Nothing wrong with the center console. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay guys, I'm gonna get off this video. I'm gonna finish up the battery, and I'm gonna drive this down the road and back just to be sure there's no noises or anything. I don't anticipate any problems. Let's see if the radio wouldn't even come on the other. Yeah, I think the radio, I don't even know how it works, but there's the power, so it should be working. Could be a blown fuse. I don't know. Oh wait, there it comes. Okay, let's see if we can get some. Okay, there's your. I don't want that. I want to seek. There we go. Alright, there we go guys. I got a service airbag light on. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look at that. Could have been the water got. I need to find out where the airbag module's at in this car. Not sure why we got a service airbag, and I'm not sure how to get it to miles. Traction control works. I don't anticipate any problems with this car whatsoever. Let me see. How do you turn off the, what I want to try to do is get that off, but I'm not sure how you actually do it. There we go. Miles 62,836, 44 degrees. Beautiful. So this doesn't have like a temperature gauge and I guess it's just got a warning light, but I've got an airbag. I've got an airbag light. Okay, brake light goes off. Fog lights work. I don't have any turn signals out. Fog lights go off. Okay, dash lights work. Okay, everything seems to work. All I gotta do is take it to the car wash, see if I can clean it up today. Awesome. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here and we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. And as you can see, there's no damage whatsoever to this car. Not sure if that's valves. Pulley's so weird. I know the belt's turning, but I can't see that pulley turning, but it's got to be turning. Let's see if the AC works. Let's see if the AC comes on. AC's on. There we go. No, the AC is not coming on. So I'm thinking could be low on Freon. I got the AC on here. It's not coming on. Everything seems to be working except for the AC and a little bit of valve noise, which probably needs the valves adjusted. I don't know if these valves can be adjusted in this car or not, or if that's something else. But anyway, all right, guys, I will talk to you guys later. I'm going to get out of here and get this battery fixed, get this car moved out of my way. I've got to go get the other Saturn inspected, and I'll drive it. That may take that valve chatter away. It could have been, I don't know how long it's sat without the valves, how long it's been sat without running. You check the oil, which I already checked it. It's got oil in it. But anyway, I will be back, guys, and we'll get her cleaned up. I'll go to the car wash and I'll take the GoPro and we'll see if we can get that brown stuff off the headline, off the top. So I will be back.